Dr. Ahirwar, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject named System Analysis and Design, and today's topic is how to plan and conduct AD sessions. So the topics to be covered in this lecture is what is GAD, how to plan and conduct AD sessions. Before that, I would like to tell you about JED. It is a software development approach which engages the client or the end users for designing and developing the system. This is designed by Dr. Chuck Morris and Dr. Tony Crawford of IBM, who proposes this model in 1970s. Okay, so as compared to other models like SDLC, System Development Lifecycle Model, Joint Application Development Model leads to faster progression of the system development, which has better client approval. JED sessions can run from a little as a half day to several weeks. It totally depends on the size and scope of the project. Sometimes your project is minor and sometimes it's major. Sometimes you know the area, how broad these things you have covered in this project, and how much time you have to spend in the particular project. So it might be a major or minor project. It all depends on the time and your budget, so to decide the time and minor and major project, in which category you have to decide it. So in our experience, more JED sessions tend to last 5 to 10 days spread over a 3-week period. Now most EJED sessions tend to last 1 to 4 days in a 1-week period. JED and EJED sessions usually move beyond the collection of information into producing analysis derivable. For example, the users and the analysts collectively can create use cases, process models, or the requirements definition. So, as with interviewing, JED success depends upon a careful plan. Okay, if you are not planning anything carefully, then sometimes you have to pay for it. If you have planned in a right manner, right way, so the success will definitely you will get, and totally it all depends. Okay, so be careful. JED sessions usually are designed and structured along the same principles as interviews. Most JED sessions are designed to collect a specific information from users, and this requires the development of a set of questions prior to the meeting. So before going to meeting, you should be prepared about what things you have to discuss in that session, right? So a difference between JED and the interview is all JED sessions are structured. They must be carefully planned. In general, closed-ended questions are seldom used because they do not spark the open and frank discussion that is typically of JED. So it is better to proceed top-down in JED sessions when getting information. Technically, 30 minutes is allowed to each separate agenda item, and frequent breaks are scheduled throughout the day because participants tire easily, right? This is all about how to plan and conduct jet sessions. Now today's practice question is how to plan and conduct AD sessions. So once again, thank you so much for listening me. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.